Okay, so we're at someone's house and we just tore down a building. Let me show y'all. Give me 1 second. That's how it looks now, so. Big old building. I don't know what day it is, but we found an old Dr. Pepper bottle in glass, surprisingly. There's the bottom of it. There's my dad. That's one of the sides. There's the one who pulled it. Well, actually, the one who pulled it was that, but there's the top of it. There was a Black Widow, but I don't know anymore. But how we got it was this strap, and my favorite truck got it. So her name's Goldie. Yes, we name trucks, but yeah. So I don't know, but hopefully y'all will like and subscribe for more. Bye.